Okay, this is take 2 of the burping contest since the first one didn't really work and my carpet got ruined.
Yeah, shut up!
You did that.
I did not. There you go.
Okay.
Hi.
No, I want to be in it because I wasn't even in the last one. I wasn't in the last one and the last one didn't work. Okay, we actually have to burp in this one.
Okay, I've barely got anything left, so not promising anything. That was a great one.
That one sucked. That one sucked really bad.
Yeah, I'm out.
That sucks for you, dude. You drank it. Because you spat it all out in my.
You made me waste it.
That one was fake. You can't have fake burp.
I
still have like half a can.
What?
I do. Ew, that one was like juicy.
Juicy? Bad as barfing.
Hang on. Get your foot off of it. That's what I'm saying. Get your foot off of it. You're gonna mess it up. You're gonna mess it up. Move it. Stop it. You're gonna mess it up. Get your foot off of it.
She's not okay. Yeah, I'm not in your...
I want to I have to burp. Hang on. Stop it. You're making me... I'll pour the Diet Coke on your head. Cut it out.
That really wasn't funny.
Ow! Elbowing me.
I know, I'm not in the shot.
Get back to back, man.
I'm not going back to nothing.
What was that?
I'm not going back to nothing.
You're just pointing it at your face. Because I have a wonderful face. You're jealous. Ow. That was good. I'm still winning. I'm doing pretty good. No,
I'm still winning, Cassie. I had 4 good ones. And the laugh one.
No. Those are fake. Those won't count. What?
I win.
I
win.
I
win.
I totally won.
I win.
I
win. I win.
I won.
Well, you know what? Whoever's watching this video can decide who wins, but
okay.
It's me.
I'll put a voting. I'll put it actually voted.
Okay, you vote on it.
So vote. Who wins?
Now.
You vote.
Or we'll kill you.
Vote.
Ah!
Dang it. Don't